Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find the apps. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here let's scroll and find Install Unknown Apps, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So for example, if you'd like to download the app from Chrome, just tap on the switcher here and now the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, for example, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just upon the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.